Essay on ways to get rid of internet addiction. Internet addiction is often compared to pathological gambling. It does not include the use of substances like medicines or alcohol, but they are just as bad as them. Internet addicts stick to the internet for the most part of the day. They are engaged in various activities online and are cut off completely from the real world. Like any other kind of addiction, it is difficult to get rid of internet addiction. However, if someone is pressed hard to leave it, then it can remove it due to time. Ways to get rid of internet addiction. Identify the cause. Unless you understand the reason for your internet addiction, you will not be able to find a way to get rid of the problem, because of which you are surfing the internet for the most part of the day. It may be to kill boredom, seek emotional support, seek companion, or disturb yourself from any problem. You need to identify what it really is. As you begin to fix that issue, you will also be able to remove your internet addiction. Friends and family support. Your friends and family members always coax your back. Discuss with your growing internet addiction and how you want to remove it. They will be more than willing to help you overcome this problem. Spend more time with your family members. Talk to them, help them in various tasks, and engage in fun activities together to keep your mind off the internet. Similarly, go to visit your friends or call them again because you try to get rid of internet addiction. You will be able to overcome this addiction in time with their cooperation. Involved in physical activity. Exercise is a great way to calm your mind and feel positive. If you are becoming addicted to the internet to maintain stress and anxiety on bay, then replace this poisonous habit with exercise. As you exercise, your body releases endorphins, which promotes the feeling of happiness. Now you do not feel the need to depend on the internet to get that feeling of excitement. Get professional help. Expert doctors who provide professional guidance to help overcome the addiction of internet. It has been suggested to seek help from one of these. They will take many steps to get rid of this addiction. The Center for Internet Addiction provides ample information about this disorder. It also provides effective treatment options for internet addict. Reproduce your subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind directs our behavior to a great extent. If you are addicted to the internet and are unable to remove it, then you have to start by reproducing your subconscious mind. Reach the state of relaxation and order your subconscious mind to stop the use of excessive internet access. Do it again with confidence and see how it helps you overcome the problem. Conclusion. An addiction is easy to develop, but it is very difficult to overcome. You have to make good efforts to get rid of internet addiction and be firm. When the path ahead is difficult, still do not give up. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe.